If you're just starting out, it's important to be honest about your level of experience and don't pretend that you have more experience than you actually have because the clients can sense it. Be upfront about your experience and focus on showcasing your skills in other ways. Hey everyone, it's me, Coach Z, and in this channel, I share everything freelancing. So if you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. If you're a freelancer looking to build your portfolio, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll share with you 5 tips on how to create a freelance portfolio that is practical, actionable, and most importantly, effective. So if you're excited to dig in, go smash that like button and let's get started. Tip number 1 is showcasing your best work. This might seem obvious, but remember that your portfolio is as good as the work you showcase. So take time to carefully curate your portfolio and only show your best pieces. This will help you stand out among freelancers who show too much or irrelevant work. Tip number 2 is highlighting your process. While it's important to show your final work, clients would want to know how you arrived at that finished product. By sharing your process, you show potential clients that you are detail-oriented, thoughtful, and professional. So let's say you're a graphic designer, show them the process of how you create designs for your clients. Third is providing social proof. This could be testimonials, reviews, or any other form of feedback from your past and current clients. Social proof is so important to let the client see how much value you can bring in their business. So this could also be, messages from your clients telling you how much they appreciate you. It's already good enough. The fourth tip is making it easy to navigate. You don't want your clients spending too much time looking for information. So make your portfolio so organized and so easy to use. This includes having clear categories and labeling your work properly. A simple example could be the first page is all about you, what you do, what you help your clients with. The next page could be your work, sample works, and the previous projects that you've worked on. The third page could be your process, what your process looks like. And your fourth page could be your reviews and testimonials from past and current clients. And the next page would be how can they actually work with you. The next tip is keeping it up to date. Your portfolio should always be a work in progress and you need to regularly update it with your latest work or best work. This will show your potential clients that you are constantly evolving and that you're improving your skills.
Rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, shit ain't nothing like me. About to catch another fight. Apple bottom make 'em wanna bite.
Now, you might be asking, how about for freelancers who are beginners, who have no social proof yet, who have no clients yet, how do they create a portfolio? Well, lucky you, I have another set of tips for you. But before we move on, let me know if you're getting value from this episode. And if you do, please drop the word gold in the comments below. So for beginner freelancers, the first tip that I have for you is still to focus on your best work. Even if you're just starting out, you probably have worked on certain projects in the past that you're particularly proud of. So let's say if you're an ex-employee and you worked on a certain project before that you are proud of, then make that as the centerpiece of your portfolio. By doing so, you showcase your skills and expertise even if you don't have social proof or testimonials yet. Next tip is create mock projects. If you don't have any actual client work to show, consider creating mock projects that will demonstrate your skills and expertise. It could be, let's say, a redesign of a website for a fictitious company. By creating mock projects, you'll be able to showcase your skills in a way that's both impressive and relevant to your potential client. Third tip is creating case studies. This is a great way to demonstrate your skills and expertise even if you don't have social proof and testimonials yet. Write up a detailed analysis of a certain project so that you can show to your clients what your process will look like. So let me give you a simple example. Let's say you are a YouTube strategist, but you don't have actual clients yet, right? You can create a case study, a detailed analysis of, let's say, 3 YouTube channels and share what has been working for those YouTube channels. What will you actually do to improve their growth, the growth of their YouTube channels, and how you can help them, and other insights that you could share. This will help potential clients see the value that you can bring into their business. Fourth tip is get testimonials from family and friends. While it's not the same from actual clients, still, it will be helpful if you are just starting out. So reach out to family and friends and offer some pro bono services maybe, and ask for testimonials. Even if they're not actual clients, their testimonials can still be social proof and help you build your credibility. The last but definitely the most important tip, especially if you're a beginner freelancer, is to be transparent about your experience. If you're just starting out, it's important to be honest about your level of experience and don't pretend that you have more experience than you actually have, because the clients can sense it. Be upfront about your experience and focus on showcasing your skills in other ways. So, those are the total of 10 tips for you when creating your portfolio. Before we end this video, if you are at that stage where you want to build your freelance foundations, you want to learn and master a premium skill, which is YouTube strategy, and you want to learn more marketing strategies for your freelance business, then I invite you to join YouTube Pro Academy, wherein I'll teach you everything that I've mentioned. You can check the link in the description below. So again, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please drop the word gold and let me know your key takeaways, and I'll see you on my next episode. Bye!